Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica Race Gamer here with another reaction. Give me some. God damn. Yeah, we're there today, guys. We're there. You see the thumbnail, you know what it is. Quengfierce Chef. This song dropped a couple days ago, but like I said, we just take a couple days off. You know what I mean? Take a couple days off. And we are here. We are going to react to that one. We're going to jump shit to that one. We're not wasting no time. Let's go, my G. Let's go.
Sounds like a lot of hoopla to make over a little Krabby Patty, right?
Alright. You see this one? This one's called Chef.
Mixed it.
It's like a Mazza.
Yo, my Bruce, let's rev that engine. My broski loves when I rap about drill, so he told me, bark the skeng ting. My other bro told me to stay in the booth and rap, cause that's where the bread is.
Yep.
Can't lie, can't hear none of that, cause the hand thing's loud and the Volvo's revving.
So, you mentioned I give you good advice and you say, yo, you know what, you know that? You can't lie. You just want to go out there because the hunting does sound sweet. Like, when you bust it, it sounds loud like church bell and it sounds sweet, brother. And that's the pan. In Chef? In Quengfierce? And that's the pan, G. Alright, me fam. Do your thing, me G. Let's go.
Booth and rap, cause that's where the bread is. Can't lie, can't hear none of that, cause the hand thing's loud and the Volvo's revving. It was me and Soulcom on the strip, just lurking round with two different weapons. Anytime I step round them side, just know that it's smoky settings. Man, she knows I'm a pet, now I'm legend. Been out here doing this thing since 11. So, you can't tell me about stepping my ends. Black flag pet, now I'm where I'm ripping. I'm bringing it back like, bro, what you reckon? I'm bringing it back. I need some wax. Tryna cop me a yard by 23, so it's nothing but booth and trap. See?
He's trying to buy a yard by now on 23, but by him reach 23, so it's nothing but music and rap and booth and trap. Nothing but booth and trap. So music and road, street life. You see me? Good luck to you, my friend.
I'm trying to move this cat, but my man's going on rude and that. I'm really out here moving packs, same way, man, put him on the news and that. Yo, Hanting came in handy, wave that mad like I'm calling a taxi. Pen grade thing called Maxine, come link.
Just imagine that. Him say Hanting came in handy, wave that mad like he's calling a taxi. You know when you call taxi, yo, he's a, yeah. I saw the man I wave it, brother. You're not him. You just wave and a squeeze. Mind innocent people, yeah.
And I just all maxi. Come here. OT trips get mashy, month and a half, 10 quid get trappy. Getting music money right now, but I'm loving the chat. Car is tax free. But you think that man
Yo, Quengfierce, look at my fucking self. The man say, yo, I'm getting music money right now, but I can't lie. I love the trap because it's tax free. Yeah, it risky too.
Kia rings. I got grubbing cling. I'm in the tea house making a flip. I'm on the up block letting it sing. My bro's in the chair last throwing them fists, but when he comes home, it ain't nothing but jibs. Fuck the pigs and fuck them olders. They ain't nothing but pricks and fuck them boys there. They ain't nothing but chicks.
You know, respect nobody. Fuck the pigs, fuck the olders. Yo, you know, respect nobody right now. Him a do him tell us say, yo, him unroll it, but him the popcorn. Him just do him one thing.
Fuck the pigs and fuck them olders. They ain't nothing but pricks and fuck them boys there. They ain't nothing but chicks. I could talk about most these youths. I won't waste my breath. Car, all you gonna hear was he got chinged in, he got shot and chef. I'm on the up block doing up chef. I'm in a bando doing up chef. Serving grub, I'm serving wounds. Yo, like who wants it next? I could talk about most these youths. I won't waste my breath. Car, all you gonna hear was he got chinged in, he got shot and chef. I'm on the up block doing up chef. I'm in a bando doing up chef. Serving grub, I'm serving wounds. 3 for 26 for 48 for 50. Get that gun.
I think you give the police them too much information now, my friend. I think you give them too much. Even though them know, but coming from your mouth, it resonate different with them now. Like, you give them too much.
I'm on the up block doing up chef. I'm in a bando doing up chef. Serving grub, I'm serving wounds. 3 for 26 for 48 for 50. Get that gun. Allow man talking that stuff when I ain't seen the opposite. Got put on my latex, see you later. I'm about to make me a human pot. There's trying to connect them dots. I relocate, trying to find a new spot. Boom.
So after him do all of that, him say the feds are trying to connect the dots them, but he gets him do him get up and move spot, him gone. Different location. No,
Back and mash and then shoot. I can't lie when I leave my yard. I bring my keys. You know, boots. Zone 2 step. Oh yes, get it correct when I'm with my troops. My niggas do shank and shoot. Stay in the mains and I back my Bruce. Them man can't afford no boots. So they're out here doing up sliders. Them man should do the Olympics. They're professional divers. Free up Shay, B&B, free all the fucking lifers. That B all looking all righteous. Roll with the gang on the whipper on bikers. She rocking triple black. All she wanna do is slap. I just over tap and
I can't help but you notice anytime I see a girl in this video, I go talk about it. I can't help but notice this nice, beautiful melanin queen. Big up yourself, mama. Can't help but notice you. Big up yourself, you hot like the fire we are playing now. Hot.
girl love me, they overcap. Mad. It's over mad. How the ops been overpacked. Can't lie, man, I like it. The rest of them are overdamned. I could talk about most of these youths. I won't waste my breath. Car, all you're gonna hear was he got chinged, then he got shot and chef. I'm on the up block doing up chef. I'm in a bando doing up chef. Serving grub, I'm serving wounds. Yo, like who wants it next? I could talk about most of these youths. I won't waste my breath. Car, all you're gonna hear was he got chinged, then he got shot and chef. I'm on the up block doing up chef. I'm in a bando doing up chef. Serving grub, I'm serving wounds.
Oh, shit. Cuz, that's why you're one of the best at. You get me? And look out for the video for this one, yeah?
Yo, big up the G. Big up Crank Face. Big up yourself, G. Sang bad. The song bad. Lots of information in there for the police they do. I'm not telling them like. But I enjoy that one that stage. You see me dancing away. You see me jigging away. Big up yourself, my fam. Solid one. Solid one. Solid one. That one there solid. That one there solid. Repeat after me. That one there solid. Yeah, brother. It's solid. Big up yourself, my G. This is how I'm going to leave that one. If you enjoyed that one, please leave a like. Please comment around there and let me know. Please subscribe if you're new around here. Also, I appreciate all of the news of them soon. I appreciate everybody who comment, like, and share the videos. Them. Big up on yourself. We're outside. And the girl let me... Oh, no. Alright, left out.